What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about converting your BDO American Express cashback credit card credit limit into cash. So paano nga ba guys i-convert yung available credit limit ng BDO American Express cashback credit card ninyo into cash? Pag-uusapan natin yung fees and charges and of course yung interest rate. Kasi may dalawang paraan or dalawang ways para ma-convert yung available credit limit ng BDO American Express cashback credit card ninyo. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon kung paano kayo tumawag, saan kayo tatawag para magpa-assist, para maging cash yung available credit limit ng BDO American Express cashback credit card ninyo. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, convert your BDO American Express cashback credit limit to cash by using the Cash It Easy installment program for lower rates up to 36 months or by performing a cash advance at ATMs up to 30% of credit limit. Apply via BDO Pay application or BDO application or by calling 02-8667-1680. So ngayon, isa-isahin natin yung sinasabi dito. Convert your BDO American Express by using Cash It Easy. Ito si Cash It Easy guys is itatawag nyo to sa bank para mag-request kayo ng converting BDO American Express cashback credit limit into cash. Yun nga lang, you have to wait certain period of time para ma-convert yung available credit limit. Tapos ito naman si cash advance guys is automatic siya. Basta may cash advance pin lang kayo. Yun nga lang, kailangan nyo muna mag-request ng cash advance pin sa inyong BDO American Express cashback credit card para ma-avail ninyo yung cash advance anytime. Tapos, yun nga lang, yung kaibahan sa cash advance guys is 3% yung interest rate niya. Compared to Cash It Easy, minsan umaabot lang ng 0.49% yung offer nila. So pag-uusapan pa natin ngayon yung iba pang details. Ways to convert BDO Amex to cash. Cash It Easy installment program. Ngayon, kung paano kayo mag-avail, punta kayo sa BDO online application or BDO online app. Log in, tap mo yung more, then installment offers, then cash installment. Since cash yung i-convert ninyo. BDO Pay application or BDO Pay app. Click the cash installment icon and select Avail Cash. Kasi, di ba, aware naman kayo siguro guys, since may credit card kayo sa BDO, no? Aware naman siguro kayo sa BDO online application and BDO Pay application. So, pagka-open niyo ng BDO Pay application, click mo yung cash installment and then Avail Cash. Then, pwede naman guys via hotline, no? Kung may landline kayo sa bahay ninyo, tawag na lang kayo sa 02-8667-1680, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. banking days. So, ano ibig sabihin ng banking days? Bawal dito yung holidays. I mean, hindi kayo pwedeng tumawag ng holidays at saka weekend kasi walang sasagot sa inyo. Wala kayong makakausap na BDO customer service para mag-assist sa request ninyo na converting your available credit limit sa BDO cashback credit card ninyo. Cash advance. So, ito naman yung cash advance. Nakalagay as instant cash. ATMs. Withdraw up to 30% of your credit limit at any BDO affiliated ATM. Look for American Express logo. So, kung magkano nga ba yung pwede nyo ma-avail sa cash advance sa BDO American Express cashback credit card ninyo, kapag nag-cash advance kayo, up to 30% lang. Tapos, kapag nag-cash installment naman kayo or Cash It Easy, up to 100%. So, pag sinabing 100% guys sa Cash It Easy, hindi naman siya totally na, halimbawa, may 200,000 kayong credit limit, 200,000 din yung makukuha yung cash. Hindi po ganon. Mga around nasa 180 lang. Kasi, yung interest rate, interest charges, at saka yung availment fee is ipapatong doon. Kaya naman, hindi siya mabubuo yung 200,000. So, kaya naman, para at least maging aware kayo, sinasabi ko sa inyo para hindi kayo nagugulat. Then, as you can see, guys, look for American Express logo kapag balak nyo mag-cash advance. Kasi kapag nag-cash advance kayo, guys, sa machine na walang American Express logo, since yung credit card niyo is American Express, exclusive lang talaga ito sa mga machine na tumatanggap ng American Express credit card. So, kung walang logo ng American Express, yung machine na yun, hindi kayo makakapag-cash advance doon. Branches. Visit any BDO branch nationwide. So ngayon kung may malapit naman na BDO dyan sa inyong lugar, pwede naman pumunta na lang kayo doon no, mismo para at least kahit paano ma-assist kayo ng maayos. Kung may katanungan kayo, masasagot nila agad since may mga BDO teller doon sa area, sa branch na yon. So kung kailangan nyo tumawag sa BDO Customer Service, sila na mismo mag-a-assist sa inyo para makausap ninyo yung customer service representative ni BDO about your concern. Important information. Fees is 350 pesos applies per cash installment transaction. So, ano ibig sabihin na ito, guys? Kapag nag-cash installment kayo using your BDO American Express cashback credit card, every transaction or every successful cash installment application, 350 pesos yung magiging charge. Tapos, sa cash advance naman is 200 pesos. Tapos, yung cash advance is 3% nga lang yung interest rate, while cash installment or cash easy is around 0.49% lang up to 1%. Yun nga lang, sa cash advance is automatic makukuha yung cash. Basta may cash advance PIN kayo. So ngayon, paano nga ba kumuha ng cash advance PIN, guys, para sa inyong BDO American Express cashback credit card? All you have to do, guys, is to contact BDO Contact Center using their hotline 02-8888-0000. 4 na 8, 4 na 0 using your landline. Tapos sabihin nyo lang na gusto nyo ng cash advance PIN sa American Express cashback credit card ninyo. Tapos ibibigay nila yan. Ipapadala sa kung saan yung address na naka-register. Kaya naman make sure lang, guys, na yung address nyo is updated para ma-receive ninyo yung cash advance PIN ng BDO American Express cashback credit card ninyo. Interest. Cash installment offers low monthly add-on rates. So kasi guys, si cash installment is umaabot nga lang, sinabi ko kanina, nasa 0.49% up to 1% lang. While si cash advance is 3% talaga yon, non-negotiable, plus 200 pesos per transaction. Kaya naman, kapag nag-transact kayo na 2 beses sa cash advance, 200 pesos, sumali 400 yung ipapatong on the next billing cycle. While cash it easy is 350 pesos nga lang, yun nga lang, may makakatipid naman kayo sa add-on rates or monthly interest rates. Approval. Applications are subject to BDO approval. So, may mga tendency kasi, guys, na hindi na-approve yung cash installment application natin sa BDO credit card cashback natin, sa BDO American Express cashback credit card. It's because kapag naubusan na ng credit limit, ganyan. Kaya naman, guys, be aware kayo kung magkano lang yung available credit limit ninyo. So, tanungin nyo na lang si teller kung magkano lang yung pwede nyong i-cash installment para iwas decline, hindi ma-decline yung application ninyo. Limits. Maximum amount depends on available credit limit. So, of course, yung maximum amount, kahit gusto mo ng 1 million, tapos yung credit limit lang naman is 500,000. So, hindi talaga ma-approve yun. Kailangan mong i-ayon kung magkano lang yung available credit limit, so yun lang yung pwede mong ma-avail. Hindi pwede yung 100,000 lang, tapos 500,000 yung i-avail mo, ma-decline talaga yung application mo in converting your BDO American Express cashback credit card credit limit to cash. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!